This is homework help on 7.3, number 60. A health insurance company advertises on television, on radio, and in the local newspaper. The marketing department has an advertising budget of $42,000 per month. A television ad costs $1,000, a radio ad costs $200, and a newspaper ad costs $500. The department wants to run 60 ads per month and have as many television ads as radio and newspaper ads combined. How many of each type of ad can the department run each month? So what we want to do is write our equations. Let's take a look at what we have. We notice that the marketing department has a budget of $42,000 per month. Then we know that television ad costs $1,000, radio ad costs $200, and newspaper ad costs $500. So let's first define our variables. Let's do it in order. So we'll say TV ad. We'll have that X. X equals our TV ad. Then we have Y equals our radio ad. And then Z equals our newspaper ad. So we're defining our variables first of all. So I notice I have dollar amounts here. And so let's put that all in a single equation. So 1,000x plus 200y plus 500z equals a total of $42,000 per month. Okay, so all the money all on one line. Then the department wants to run 60 ads per month. So that will be a total of all of the different types of ads. So X plus Y plus Z will equal 60 ads. Then they want as many TV ads. So X has to equal the number of radio and newspaper ads combined. So X equals Y plus Z. So there are our three equations first of all. So what we want to do with at least this last equation here is to make it very similar. So notice we have X, Y, and Z on one side and then our constant on the other. Let's do the same thing with this last equation. So let's subtract Y and subtract Z. So therefore, let's just write it here. We will have X minus Y minus Z equals 0. So now we have a system of three equations and three variables. So 1,000x plus 200y plus 500z, and then, that equals 42,000. X plus y plus z equals 60. And then x minus y minus z equals 0. So let's first add together equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 2 plus equation 3. Because I kind of noticed things will cancel out here, so that'll help me out. So x plus y plus z equals 60, and then x minus y minus z equals 0. So what that gives me is we notice that 2x equals 60, or x equals 30. So we have one of our amounts here. Let's just use that for our new equation 1. So x equals 30. I'm going to move everything around, right? Actually, that's our new equation 2. So x equals 30 for here. And then we still have 1,000x plus 200y plus 500z equals 42,000. Then we have that third equation, x minus y minus z equals 0. So since we found x equals 30, let's go ahead and cancel out the x's in our other two equations. So if I multiply this bottom equation by negative 1,000 and then add it to equation 1. So negative 1,000 times equation 3 plus equation 1. So let's multiply by negative 1,000. So negative 1,000x plus 1,000y minus 1,000 or plus 1,000z equals 0. Let's add it to the top. So 1,000x plus 200y plus 500z equals 42,000. So we get 1,200y plus 1,500z equals 42,000. So we'll call that our new equation. So currently that's new equation 1. And then I'm going to move everything around. Okay, so let me just write everything that we have so far. So we have 1,200y plus 1,500z equals 42,000. Then we have that x equals 30. And we also have that x minus y minus z equals 0. So let's kind of change things around. I'm going to make that x equals 30 at the top. So I'm going to change it to equation 1. X equals 30. And then I'll have my x minus y minus z equals 0. And then 1,200y plus 1,500z equals 42,000. So what we want to do is let's get rid of the x in equation 2. So in order to do that, I am going to take equation 1 and then subtract equation 2. So essentially I'm going to multiply by a negative at the bottom. So x equals 30, and then distribute a negative. Negative x plus y plus z equals 0. Add them together. We get y plus z equals 30. So let's write our equations again. So from here, we have x equals 30. Then our equation 2, I changed that to y plus z equals 30. And then our last equation, we have 1,200y plus 1,500z equals 42,000. Let's cancel out the y in equation 3. So to do that, I'm going to multiply negative 1,200 times equation 2 and add it to equation 3. So multiply negative 1,200. So this is negative 1,200y minus 1,200z equals negative 36,000. Hopefully I'm saying those numbers right. I apologize if I misspoke. 1,500z equals 42,000. And let's add them together. So we get 300z equals 6,000 divided by 300. So z equals 20. Okay, so let's write what we have. We know x is 30. We know y plus z equals 30. And we know z equals 20. So really we can plug in z and find out what y is. And we find, I mean, if you can look at it, you can tell that it's going to be 10. So y plus 20 equals 30, or y equals 10. Okay, so what that tells us is we can have 30 TV ads, right? If you're looking back at your variables that you defined all the way at the top. Sorry, this word is pretty large. So 30 TV ads, and then 10 of the radio ads. And then finally, 20 of the newspaper ads. You can always double check. It said we wanted to run 60 ads per month and have as many TV ads as radio and newspaper combined. So TV equals newspaper and radio, and that's true, right? 30 equals 20 plus 10. So I hope this helps you out.